just had to roll start my bike. It took like 8 tries because it's cold. Oh, pushing my bike up and down the hill. Whew. Man, that wore me out. Oh man, when was the last time I rode the R6? I feel like every time I get on one of my bikes, I say when was the last time I rode it. I haven't been riding as much as I'd like to. So busy. Don't ride half the week because Abby works and I take care of Aylin. And then the other days I'm usually working in the garage. I was gonna have this nice intro, lots of cinematics and some good music, and I mean, I guess I can do it. You know, screw it. We'll just pretend like none of this happened. Or, well, you don't have to pretend like it didn't happen. Whatever, just jump to the music. Well, before that, I gotta get gas. I hope the bike starts. Oh man, now I'm scared to get gas. I swear, you better start. Fill her up before you go. I swear, if you don't start. Oh yeah, there we go. Round in circles, round in circles. Okay, now jump to the cinematics. That was a cop. Yeah, he's not following me. He heard me. I guarantee he heard me. Oh, good thing he didn't see me doing 96. Now he's following me. Alright, we're good. He's not following. Check behind us. Good. Check in front of us. And good. Check to the left. And transport to Mexico. But yeah, one of the past vlogs when I was trying to ride the R6, y'all remember I got on it and it just didn't start. It was like completely dead. No power at all, just completely drained. But yeah, the same thing happened today. I got on the bike, nothing. Turned the key, no power, no lights, nada. How's that for a daily 100? Alright, I'll see you guys back in the US. Oh man, that was a good time. I gotta visit Mexico more often. I don't know what's up. And it's weird because it's only started happening recently. I don't know if there's something wrong with the battery and like the cold is affecting it really badly. Like I've never had that issue before. If you guys have any ideas, I don't know if this has happened to you. I'll probably stick it on the charger again just to make sure it's uber charged. The next time I go ride it after that, I won't charge it again. We'll see if it happens. But man, I hope you guys have had a great week. I know I didn't have any videos Monday through Wednesday. Kind of just spent time catching up. I had a bunch of orders, all those prints that I have. If you want to catch one of the prints of the R1, 5 different prints that you can choose from, and there's only 25 of each, and when they're gone, they're gone. But those are at my website, motonosity.com/shop. Link down in the bio. Yeah, I was packaging up a lot of those. And there's just a lot of other stuff aside from just taking care of Aylin, which, good lord, she is growing way too fast. She started crawling within the last week or so, and it's kind of picked up really fast. Like maybe a week ago, week and a half, she was just barely getting up on her knees and like trying to crawl, and now freaking just zooming across the room. It's insane. But oh man, I think I should have videos every day of the weekend. So I'll have a video today, I'll have a video for you tomorrow most likely, and then this weekend we got a special guest coming into town. We're gonna be doing a few videos with us. We've got something we're gonna be doing with the okay, that's cool. That's cool. We're going to be doing something with the CRF that I've been meaning to do for a while and should have done a long time ago. And then we've got Build Series Day, working on the R3. By the way, big thanks to everyone who signed on to the Patreon page recently. We had a lot in the past week, and I can't thank you guys enough. I appreciate the support. So if you want to drop in some support, get some of those perks we got over there, I'll link the Patreon page down in the description. But that's not what I was going to talk about. The build series, this special guest of ours is going to be coming in, working on the build, and then after that we probably just go out and freaking have an awesome time riding. Ooh, what do we got? We got coilovers for the 240. They should be arriving today, and so within the next week I'd like to put those on. But let's go head home. There's something I want to show you guys. So before I get to the title of the video, got some mail. If you want to send something in my P.O. box, I always link that down in the description. But we got 3 packages and a letter here today. First up is from Ron in Pennsylvania. Razor. It looks like a throttle tube, but it also looks like a bottle of beer. Rubber mixed grip. Oh, they're grips. This packaging is very confusing. Appreciate the grips, man. Thanks a lot. Next is Terry from Georgia, specializing in old school BMX. Porkchopbmx.com. Oh! I was like, why am I being sent? They're valve stem caps. Thanks, man. Next is Jared from Florida. Your Motonosity, been watching your channel for a long time. Personally love your channel. You make some awesome videos on YouTube that give me inspiration and happiness. Without you, I would have never been as interested in motorcycles as I am now. Sincerely, Jared. Question, how did you find a supermoto? I can't find them anywhere. So DRZ400 and a WR250X are probably the most popular and readily available supermotos out there. Other than that, you're just gonna have to build your own. The other thing you can do is get a WR250R, which is the dirt version of the X, and those you can just cheaply set up with supermoto wheels from like Warp 9 or something like that. Jared, thank you for the letter, man. And last up, we got a package from Amazon. Hey Motonosity, noticed you said you didn't have vice grips. Spur of the moment purchase sending your way. Keep up the hard work, Eric. Eric got me some vice grips. Eric, thank you so much, man. If you guys want to send me something, my P.O. box is down in the description. P.O. Box 2032, Cedar Park, Texas 78630. Send whatever you want. You can send a letter. You can send stickers that I put up there. You can send license plates that I put up there. Or you could send vice grips. Probably not though. Now I already have a set right here. So the title of the video, chances are if you clicked on this, you probably want to know, or you just want to watch the videos, that's cool too. But yeah, so there's something that I noticed going wrong with the 450. And initially, well, let me just show you guys. So we got the 450 over here. If you're new here or just don't know what's going on. I noticed some oil here. There's some right there and there's some right there. And first I was confused because I thought I had fixed the leaking issue with the oil, but then I noticed, well, that doesn't make sense. It's over here at the front. So why would the oil be there? So let me see if I can roll this out for you guys, get a little better lighting here. So I took a look here at the front of the bike, and there's oil right here on the side of this. And the only way that there'd be oil there is if it was coming from the forks. And looking here at the fork, right underneath here, there's oil right there, which sucks. I guess I've been going too hard on them wheelies. Not my fault, not my fault. Just getting it too high up. Coming down, takes a toll. Yeah, so the forks, at least that left one, I checked the right one. I don't think there's any really leaking from the right one, but that left one is leaking. And honestly, I'm not terribly upset. It's not leaking badly. I mean, it's not great. It's definitely not good, but it's not terrible. I probably shouldn't be riding it a whole lot until I get that taken care of. This weekend, like I mentioned before, we got a special guest and we were really wanting to do some supermoto riding, so I'll probably ride it anyways. Here's my thoughts. I never set up this bike after I converted it to supermoto. I never did anything with the suspension to set it up for street riding. And back when I was actually doing the build, I think I mentioned it, I really wanted to take it to a shop and either get new forks that were set up for the street, or get new internals for these forks and set them up for the street. It kind of works out because I needed something to push me to do this anyways. I just didn't want to take apart the front of the bike again. But now that this has happened, we kind of have to. The other thing is, I know a lot of you, I don't mind it. I think it looks good, but these forks obviously don't match the rest of the bike quite as they should. So this will give us a chance to replace those. Or get them powder coated so that they kind of match the rest of the bike. We could go with the Cadillac gray, but since the triple tree is Cadillac gray, I don't know. I think going red might be a little bit too much with the wheels. You guys let me know in the comments. We could do white, we could do just like black. I don't know. I think black or Cadillac gray might be the best bet for that. The only thing with Cadillac gray, it's a multi-layer, so I think it might be a little bit too thick. I would probably want to do something that's not thick, just like one solid layer of powder. I don't know, you guys will have to let me know what you think. But yeah, I'm bummed that it happened, but I'm not terribly upset because I kind of needed to do this anyways. I want to hear from you guys too, if you have suggestions, if there's specific forks that you think would be really good. Again, I want this set up for the street, probably more of like an 80-20 street to dirt. Definitely not ideal, but that's what we've got going on. R3 this weekend should be an awesome time with our special guest working on the bike, and then get some riding in. Hopefully the supermoto does all right. That's gonna be it, guys. I know it's a little bit of a short video, but I wanted to just get on the R6. It's been too long, but that's that. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll be back tomorrow with another one for you guys. Make sure you hit that. Did I just say make sure? Make sure you hit the subscribe button. And remember, life's better with horsepower. Keep life live, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.